While some modern SASE platforms claim they can be operational in hours for basic deployments, the reality is that true full integration takes weeks to months to complete. But with our latest release of Zenarmor SASE, that's all changed. Now you can go from zero to secure in just a few minutes, considerably shorter than the industry standard. Here's how easy it is to get started. You will need a Zenconsole account with at least one organization configured with a valid Zenarmor SASE or SSE subscription. Log into your Zenconsole account. Once logged in, select the desired organization, go to Global Deployments, and click on Add Gateway. The installation script will be displayed, ready for execution on a variety of operating systems. Simply copy the installation script. There's no need to dig through documentation or remember long commands. Next, paste the script into your terminal on your gateway of choice and then run it. The installer takes care of the entire installation process by downloading the latest Zenarmor SASE package, configuring it for your system, and even registering it automatically with Zenconsole once the installation is complete. As soon as the script finishes, your gateway appears in Zenconsole in a pending status, connected and ready for setup. Follow the gateway setup wizard to enter the gateway name and gateway slug, the desired database for reporting, the deployment mode, and the network interfaces to protect. Once the gateway is set up, you may fine-tune your security policies, configure remote access, and enable the SASE features you need. No manual linking required, no complex configurations, just a simple, guided process. And just like that, your gateway is fully secured with Zenarmor SASE, delivering powerful protection for your entire network and distributed workforce without the need for a significant deployment effort. Zenarmor SASE, plug and secure. Visit zenarmor.com to start your free trial.